Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your screen from dimming on your Nintendo Switch. So it's going to have like a black tint to it. Otherwise, it's going to completely turn off. So there's a couple different settings we can adjust. So let's go to System Settings right here. Then scroll on down. And the first one will be Sleep Mode. So after about 10 minutes, by default, your screen is going to turn off. And it's not even going to like a black tint or anything like that. So you can adjust it right here. You never want it to turn off. So you have it connected to the TV and the console screen right here. So there's two different settings. Now to prevent it from dimming, we want to go on over to where it says TV settings. Go to the right, then go on down. And this is called screen burn-in reduction. Reduce screen brightness after 5 minutes of inactivity. So we have this turned on. You can turn this off and your screen won't dim at all. So just go ahead and adjust those settings that I showed you to your liking and you should be good to go depending on your needs. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.